How to make exercise fun and something you actually want to do. Nothing beats waking up in the morning with the thought of going to the gym to lift weights or jog on the treadmill. After a hard day's work, the gym is one place you don't even want to think about. Sometimes, even the thought of exercising at home with your own equipment can be less than desirable. Sometimes, just trying to get and stay motivated to exercise on a regular basis can be a challenge. No matter how you look at it, exercise can be downright boring and even tedious at times. So, you may be wondering just how you can get the motivation you need to exercise on a regular basis. If you've been wondering what you can do to make exercise more fun, you'll find some ideas in this video that just may help to make exercise more fun and a little bit easier. First things first, you should exercise with a friend. You can challenge each other, help each other out, keep each other motivated and on track, make each other laugh, or just make a game out of your exercise programs. You can also try something different. If you go to the gym each and every day and use the same piece of equipment or use the same piece of equipment at home, you should try mixing things up. Reverse your routine or just change the order of your exercises. Go to a city park that has playground equipment and use the slide, climb on the monkey bars, do pull-ups, hang from your knees. Just let your imagination guide you. You don't always need to follow a strict routine, just get out there and have fun working your muscles. An outdoor circuit in the park is also something you can try. There are some parks that have circuit courses set up with a planned course where all you have to do is walk or jog to each station, and then follow the instructions. If there isn't a planned course, then you should do a combination of jogging and walking, picking a distance of a couple hundred feet. Jog 100 feet then drop and do a couple of push-ups, walk the next 100 feet and then drop to do sit-ups. You can also ride a bike around your neighborhood or hike on a hiking trail. A walk in the park or around your neighborhood is also a great way to get some exercise. Doing yoga in the park or on a beach is also a nice and relaxing way to exercise both your body and your mind. Playing a competitive sport is also something you can try. A lot of cities have team activities such as softball, volleyball, tennis, soccer, and so on. These types of activities will not only provide you with good exercise, but they will also help you to meet new people as well. When you exercise, try to picture your muscles getting bigger. Research has shown that if you focus all of your thoughts on the muscles that you are working, they will respond better. Try to watch them work with each repetition as your muscles contract and relax. As you can tell, there are plenty of ways you can make exercise more fun and interesting. You don't need to follow the same routine day after day, as you can do many other things to get in some exercise. The important thing is that you should always try to incorporate exercise in any various form into your everyday life, and make these habits the kind of habits that will last a lifetime.